Hi all, this is Wonky HomeLife. Today I'm going to show you 5 top features of the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuuming robot. I am so excited to show you this great product. Dirt, meet your match. One real cool feature is to start your machine using Google Home. Hey Google, start Roomba. There are 3 different ways to start your machine cleaning. 1. Press clean button until it makes a beeping noise. 2. Use your iRobot Home app to start cleaning anywhere and anytime. 3. Using Google Home. Watch this, it's real cool. Hey Google, start Robocop. Got it, starting the robot. The Roomba 980 can automatically clean all floor types, adjusting its brush height to give a great clean. It transitions smoothly from hardwood, rugs, tile, carpet, and so on. It has a motor that has up to 10 times air power to remove embedded particles from floors. Just have a look. Another great feature is edge cleaning. It can pick up dust particles using an edge sweeping brush that is designed at an angle of 27 degrees. It moves dirt away from edges and corners to be picked up by Roomba. Let's have a look at this great function. Our very smart Roomba navigates your home. It knows where it's been and where it needs to clean. Roomba uses both visual landmarks and a stored map to get around. How clever is that? Let's have a look. Well, this next feature is Roomba's patented Dirt Detect technology. This smart robot recognizes concentrated areas of dirt. Roomba will go over the same area a number of times to thoroughly clean your floors. See Roomba in action. Well, what a great product this is. I will be doing a few of these videos. So if you like my video and want to see more, give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.